डॉली आवाज़ थोड़ा धीरे करो। Hey, good morning, Raven. How are you doing? Thank you for joining my stream. So I don't know if you are you had tuned in previously, but I was funded through TopStep, and I've completed my pro account. I got my $5,000 profit target, and then I was trading my premium account, but uh, with the high volatility, I was not able to produce the same results as I was in the pro account or the step one and step two of the combine. And I I thought of taking some money out from my funded account and basically revisit on my strategies. So hence I decided to uh, give it a reset, the whole entire process. I did withdraw like $2,500 from my funded account. I'm still waiting on the funds to arrive in my bank account. But having said that, I was talking with our friend Brian from our online community, and I decided to open a Gauntlet Mini. Is That's what they call it at Earn to Trade, a 75K account, which essentially the time wise it's same as Top Step Trader, but I was going through their contents and their YouTube channel, and I found it much better. Later on, I will go in details on why I decided to open a combine with Earn to Trade as opposed to Top Step. So, uh, Earn to Trade also has a web-based platform, but I tried trading on it yesterday during the European session and didn't like it. So what you're seeing on my screen is a Trader platform. I always had Ninja Trader license, so I said, uh, why not give it a shot? So over the weekend, I was configuring the Ninja Trader. It's not as easy as the web-based platform, but once configured, I think I'm getting a hang of it. Yeah, I mean they are good in one way, but I think they have some limitations. Like on a 50K combine, Top Step has $1,000 daily loss limit, and on Earn to Trade, the combine that I signed for has like 1750 daily loss limit, which is quite high. Yeah, and currently they are going on a promotion for that particular uh, size of the account. It's usually $245, but they are having a 50% discount, so I went with them. Um, you meant you were sponsored by Earn to Trade. You mean you used to use NT8? Uh, And you said only thing I don't like is at the money strategies cannot be changed once the entries have been filled. Uh, are you talking about NT8 or Ninja? Oh, NT8 is Ninja Trader, right? Yeah. Uh, I think you can move the stop and limits, right? After getting filled. I mean, we can check. Gotcha. Yeah, so that's the update. I closed my funded account with a $2,500 withdrawal, which gave me some extra money, but it would have been much better. The volatility basically discouraged me from trading anymore in the funded account. Oh yeah, the size cannot be changed, but the targets can be, right? So mm, yeah, I think it is in a way good and bad. Good is like sometimes you will feel that uh, you are right and you will try to increase, and then maybe it can go against you. So, anyways, so let's see how the earn to trade goes. I did trade yesterday, and my the second line is what is my profit for yesterday. I made $970 using Ninja Trader 8, and I did reach out to them, and they said because how CME treats today's and tomorrow's date, uh, you it is going to be one day, treated as one day. So I am not going to trade in my um, Gauntlet account. I'm going to do a simulation trades today because there is a another rule in earn to trade is which I like personally is not any single day can be more than 30% of profit. So what they're trying to teach us here is uh, uh, to be consistent. Don't. I mean, we had seen so many times in Top Step, right? Uh, um, the users will uh, make good couple of trading days. They achieve the target, and then they stay almost flat for the remaining days of the combine, and that is good for you to pass the combine, but it doesn't make you a good trader. Personally, I think everybody should have that rule is they should try to teach us to be consistent. So that's why they said that if you have more than 30% of profit on one day, then you have to trade even more days than 15 days to be actually uh, to be actually given the certificate that you passed the gauntlet many. That is correct, Raven. So hence I'm going to give them a shot. Hopefully, um this will make me a better trader because I was not good when I was trading my premium funded account, and um I don't know what is it, but uh, to my luck, the volatility creeped like anything. When I used to trade in the evening and I was streaming live, uh, it used to be like dead, the NQ market. And uh, when I started trading in my premium account, I got stopped out so often. It was like 3 days I had to like stop trading so that I don't break the rule, and hence I decided I'm just going to take a withdrawal, take a step back, and then maybe this time I won't do that mistake. So I was doing a lot of video watching over the weekend and decided to start using NinjaTrader. I configured my charts here, and as you can see, you are seeing NQ charts. One is 15 minutes, one is 5 minutes. Um, and then I have the Ninja Trader chart trader as well. And basically, I have the Ninja Trader VWAP and the deviations from the VWAP on all these one, two, three lines. The green line is the uh, actual VWAP, and these three lines are the deviation. Um, I have Bollinger Bands as well configured. I have MACD I studied some of the Aeron indicator, and that's about it. I mean, when little bit of volatility increases, I would like to take some trades. Right now, it looks bullish to me. The market MACD on 5 minutes is clearly bullish. On fifth, on 15 minutes it's clearly bullish, and on 5 minutes it is kind of fluctuating. So we'll see. Oh, got you, Raven. Uh, yeah, but with NQ it moves so fast. You have to then use chart trader, right? Or are you using static DOM? I mean, I can bring that up as well. I, it does not give me static option. Super DOM. Can maybe place it somewhere. So now the real estate of the screen is a problem, right? So let me put this off. Okay. Yeah, so change it to simulated account, add NQ. Yeah, another. Hmm, I need to enable enable my market depth here because uh, they gave me another step to enable market depth. I haven't done it yet, but it doesn't make that big of a difference in NQ column depth. Um, NQ, I think you have to look at charts to look at the order. So simulated account at the money strategies at a break even plus 2. All right, so that is your ETA session high 584. It is clearly bullish on 15 minutes. We are trading at VWAP right now. Thanks, Raven. I will look at all those uh, settings that you're mentioning me. Really helpful, which will tell you where your order is in the queue. Yeah, I'm not going to trade my actual Gauntlet account because uh, yeah, this is Sim and this is my Gauntlet, and then this is the simulation of Gauntlet. So um, Yeah, I'm good. And again, as I told you, they don't want one day as a big day. And I have like uh, already $900 yesterday in plus, so I don't want to make any more money in that account, because I I have to be consistent according to their rules, which makes more sense. So we trading at VWAP, the Bollinger Band, the lower band coming here. I feel like going long. Obviously, mm, right now MACD suggests we are bullish. Mm, chart trader hidden. I just switched on the chart trader. I don't want it to break this level. So I'm gonna say buy limit at 11,552.25. All right, let's see. So basically, it did break that. I didn't like that. So I have a s- break even strategy like when it goes 5 points, so $100 away from my entry, my stop is going to go at break even plus two. So let's give it a first shot. And my target is obviously uh, 6420, like 20 points. I don't remember what my so this is my strategy, right? So let's see what I have. So I have profit at 50 ticks, and oh, okay. So the stop is not going to move because it got reset. So I'm going to manually move the stop to break even now. The only reason I am going to quickly secure my trade is because it did go below the VWAP, and I don't know if it is a move to go bearish. I think I'm going to get stopped out with NQ. I could have done one thing instead of closing my Top Step account. I could have stayed in Ninja Trader and continued trading, but you know what they say. Sometimes you become pen penny wise and pound foolish, right? That's what I did. Yeah. Um, yeah. So the advantage of Top Step Trader is it's commission free, and if you use Ninja Trader, you pay like almost $2 per side. So I wanted to save that money, and hence I decided to go with it. But I think that was a bad call. Ninja Trader is Awesome. I mean, I did learn a lot from TS Trader platform, but then I configured NinjaTrader and it is so much better, I think. You can keep the emotion uh, away and trade according to the technicals of what you see. So, as you can see, it stopped me out for a $10 gain. So, again, thank you for joining, everybody. I see we have some other users or viewers, so thank you. And if you just tuned in live, I did took $2,500 in withdrawal from Top Step, and I'm doing a gauntlet mini uh, test, I would call it. I won't call it combine because that's a Top Step term, but gauntlet mini, it's a 15-day uh, test on how good you are as a trader, and it's 75K in size, and you have to earn $4,300 in profit. Currently, they are having a promotion, and hence I decided it's like a 50%. Which screen you are talking about, the 5 minute or the 15 minute, Raven? Oh, the control screen. Yeah, so basically, I did some trading yesterday in my uh, actual Gauntlet Mini, and I made $970. So tonight, I'm not going to trade in that because On2Trade said that yesterday and today is going to be counted as one day, and if it is just one day, then you don't want to make a lot of profit in just one day. So I'm going to just try and practice my trading skills in the simulated account. That's another advantage of On to Trade over Top Step. Top Step doesn't give you a simulated account to practice if you don't want to trade in your real combine account. So let's say I pass my Gauntlet Mini, and you take like 10 days to open the account, and what happens is you lose the touch of what you are doing on like regular basis, right? Hence, I like to trade because even after your Gauntlet Mini is over, you achieve the target without breaking any rule, you can still trade in your simulated account, try your strategies. So let's see. I mean, I'm not saying one is better or the other, but uh, definitely I'm going to try. Hey Dilji, thank you for joining. Welcome back. So the lifetime license, uh, you don't need it. I think if I'm correct, you can lease it. You can lease it on monthly basis as well. But because I mean I had my lifetime license, I could I could just use that. And to be very frank, for the Gauntlet Mini, they do provide you with a temporary license if you really want to. Okay, I don't know if I can move this up. Move that up, I guess. Okay, and then maybe is there a setting which says stay always on the top? No, so I had to bring this down. Maybe, yeah. This is much better. Okay, right. That's what I did. Thank you. Prepping for interviews for a job, David? All right, the 5 minute MACD has turned reverse. The 15 minutes is still not. Oh, cool. Good luck with that. Go to the properties. Yeah, you know what? I have done it on purpose. Like I can bring it all the way, right? Chart trader orders. Okay. So properties, and then you're saying to get rid of the black space on chart. Right. Chart right side margin. Make it how much you said? 40. Let's see. Okay, 40. Okay, 40 or 50. There are so many settings, Raven. I mean, I had used NinjaTrader a while ago and I completely forgot. So, okay, 50 is that. So maybe 30. All right. So we are approaching top of the hour. Let's see what happens at top of the hour. So, David, let me tell you one thing. This is a blessing in disguise. If you're still looking for a job, then you should take the trading career even more seriously, right? Like, who needs a job if you can print close to $1,000 a day, right? So, if you master this skill, you will be all set, right? Yeah, I did that, Raven. Yeah, I need to grow more subscribers on YouTube so that I am encouraged to do it every night. So please, if you haven't subscribed, do it. Or ask your friends or family members to subscribe. So my goal was 100 subscribers by the end of first month, but I am stuck at 87. So definitely it will help me go online every evening and stream something, which again I don't claim to be the master here or I'm the teacher. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of input from Raven and I am trying to learn. So we want to learn here as a group of traders who want to achieve our financial independence. So please do subscribe and like my video. Will do, Raven. I sometimes feel little this thing whether the users will like it or not. So definitely, thank you. I take that offer and definitely I will do that. That way it will be nice. I will get more subscribers. I won't sell anything, Raven. I know. Other than asking them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, uh, which I think is going to help me and help others as well. So thank you for the opportunity to reach out to a large user base. So right now we see it is above VWAP and it is trading in a range. So I think it is going to sell off now. So what will be a good entry, right? So this is the Bollinger Band top envelope, so deviation from the VWAP. And yeah, definitely. So uh, I'm thinking of going short here at 570 to 75. Uh, we are right now in the between the VWAP and the middle Bollinger Band, so as to say. So if it jumps for one particular bar, we will get entered. Let's see. Right now it is at 563.25, so 10 points away from my entry point. I'm thinking it is going to sell off around 8 o'clock. Let's say if we get filled in for this order. I already did Raven. I just posted the link, so hopefully we'll get more traffic here. So I'm trying to short NQ at 11,571.50. Um, I have a stop loss and I have a profit target already configured. I can show you this setting here. Basically, stop loss is at 30, profit target is at 50 ticks, and stop strategy is break even plus 2. So 30 ticks times 5 is $150, and 50 times 5 is 750. Yeah, probably. Let's see. 50 times 5 is 750, right? Yeah. Yeah. I think he's a doctor, right? Ganesha. I think I saw him writing somewhere. And uh, yeah, even being a doctor, he's still interested in trading. Yeah. That is like real big fan, right? So am I. Like I am a oh man, this is going without taking me or what? Yeah, he is a good guy. And also trading, I think I need to get successful in this particular field because I myself is a very um, qualified professional, and but during the day I have the day job. But if this thing turns around for me, I think I would like to become full-time trader one day. Awesome. I don't know if he has ever joined the stream here. Uh, all right, I'm not going to go and fill me in where it is trading. I'll see if it comes, takes me and then sells off. So we'll see. So if you have joined us just now, I'm trading a simulated account. Already, I have achieved like $970 in my earn to trade Gauntlet Mini, and because they, unlike Top Step, they are going to consider tomorrow, today's day and yesterday's day as one day. I'm not going to trade in that anymore because it's not going to give me anything. Uh, Hence, I'm just using my simulated account, which is the second one, which doesn't count towards the trades in simulated account don't count towards the Gauntlet Mini. So I'm just trying my trading strategies over there. Uh, right now, I'm trying to short NQ at 11,571 uh, because I see the MACD has reversed in the 5-minute chart and is about to reverse in the 15-minute chart. So I think this market is going to sell off, um, maybe in near future, and hence trying to short it at 11,571. My stop is 20 ticks away, uh, which is 4 points on NQ, which is $100. Should be, I think it should be little away from that, but we'll see. Once I get filled in, I will try to move it. And it probably touched me and didn't fill me in. It happens, right? That's my order. If you see this wick, okay, looks like I'm going to get filled now, or maybe not. As you can see, yeah, the spreads are very wide. All right, so I got in. Right now I'm, so stop loss is at 579. It did, I'm going to move it little bit up. Hopefully I don't get, okay, much better. So let's see. My target is all the way down at 11,559. I may bring it down a little more. Yeah, yeah. I was also wondering, and I did want to. I did mention that I will move it once I get filled in, and that's what I did before getting stopped out. So it did touch the upper end of the Bollinger Band. Uh, that's what uh, was the idea there to get into that trade. And let's go all the way down. So I moved my target to 549. Right now we are kind of 10 points away from our entry, 71, no, no, 5 points away. Yeah, so yeah, I do regret that I closed my Top Step funded account. I could have just switched to Ninja Trader, but it is what it is. I have some money in my bank now. I withdrew like $2,500 from the funded account, and I'm going to do this 15-day gauntlet mini on Earn to Trade, um, and see if it makes me a better trader. That's the update. Uh, let's see what happens in the next 15 minutes for this trade. Friends, you have just joined, please do subscribe to my channel so it encourages me to bring you more content every evening. So let's see what happens in this 15 minutes bar in another 10 minutes. 868. It should go below 558 to make a higher low or lower low. I don't know what to call it. Higher low. And I don't want it to break 571.50. In fact, I'm going to bring this target all the way to 537 because um, not sure what I'm doing. But yeah, if look at this, like it was trying to break this area 552. So if it does break 552, I think it is going to add some sell-off. So all right, let's see what happens. I'm going to tighten my stop though when it comes to 550. I may bring my stop to, oh, it will automatically be at break even plus 2 when I am 5 points positive. So should be any time now. I wonder why it's not happening. All right, so I'm going to bring my stop here at 570. This is the VWAP. Let's see if it breaks this area 551 and we will get a big sell-off. Definitely a big sell-off. It did break VWAP. So break even plus 2 was the strategy. Auto break even profit trigger 20 is set. Uh, I was expecting it to come down, but I don't know. I will figure it out later. But for now, looks like This was a good trade. I could have gotten a better fill at 577. So it's okay. But this is the lower band of the Bollinger at 548. Let's see what happens now. Maybe we can start bringing the stop little down. Yeah. So we did a two decisions good, right? Like we were long, but then when it did break that VWAP over here, I decided to cut short that trade for a $10 profit, which is you can see here. And then uh, we saw MACD reversing the course, so I decided to go short, and it was a good entry point. And now I think I'm pushing it a little harder. We should have gotten out at the lower Bollinger Band, but because it broke this area, I'm thinking we are going to get some good sell-off. So let's see what happens. As I mentioned, it is a sim account. I'm really not bothered. That was a good 15-minute bar. So how things change when you see from a 15-minute perspective, right? Look at that. I mean, I was not paying attention here. So the Bollinger Band for 15 minutes, we haven't even reached the center point. So I think 537 is achievable very easily in by 8:15, right? Which we are at 549, so almost like 11 or 12 NQ points. And with the kind of volatility we are getting, it could be like pretty fast. I just need to be in the trade though. 548. There you go. I'm going to tighten my stop now. I don't want to get uh, too complacent and give up all that money I made. 545. I may bring it little above 537, um, maybe 541, because sometimes I do feel like before hitting 540, NQ will reverse its course. Although it doesn't seem like right now it's going to do that, but they say right when you're in the direction, right direction, take your ticks and run away. So trailing my stop manually. 2 minutes for 15-minute bar to close. I don't like it. I wanted to close it before 8:15. We'll see what happens in 2 minutes. All right, I'm going to get stopped out, I believe, at 5:56. So, Raven, if you see the VWAP line, which is this green line, has turned red. Does that signify anything in NT8? No, but the color change from green it has become uh, red over here. Oh, gotcha. Negative slope is red. One more minute to end this 15 minutes bar. Gotcha. 44 and oh, almost getting filled close to. Oh, come on. Close it already. Okay, I'm going to tighten my stop now. This is crazy. Should I just close it? 45, 42. Hit and not fill. Awesome. That was a good trade. One contract NQ, $610. Why didn't I switch to Ninja Trade while I was trading in funded account? I know, man, right? Very less stress. I think it went 5 points, 6 points, 6 points after I got filled in, and over here basically, and that was $120 of heat, and then it was all piece of cake, right? Yeah. So I did. I did learn boiling up bands over the weekend. I did learn MACD. I used to watch, I think, thanks to our friend Luis here in the community. He introduced me to tick chart and the MACD. So look at that now. It I said 537 and it also hit that target and some more. And now it has become bearish. So I still need to, as you can see, learn the small uh, tricks in NinjaTrader, which I'm going to use from now onwards. I'm not going to be any more penny wise, pound foolish. I tried to avoid the commissions that come with NinjaTrader, which is like $2, I think, one way. But then you're getting so many rich features that you can use and make more money in trading rather than trying to save it in the fees. So if you have any questions, shoot them and I will try to answer. Or we have a lot of experienced friends over here in the chat and they can answer it for us. If not, I'm going to end this stream. I was streaming for almost an hour now. I think we started somewhere here. So 7:30 to 8:30. Yeah, streamed for an hour and did two trades for $620. No loss, no losing trades. Yeah, David, thank you, Raven. That was a big help. I'm going to do some more research on DOM and try to set up all those settings on DOM. And hopefully, I can stream every evening for an hour and try to educate all of us here and at the same time learn as well. So, thank you and have a good night. Talk to you later.